Okay. And the one with the glove with the leather here.
Okay, don't cross your legs. Okay? Don't bend it.
Okay.
Because you're gonna be landing with your legs like that. Okay?
Okay.
It's very easy. He's going down there to get you. Okay, you move your body. You move your body. You move. You move. You move. Move. There we go.
No. Not me. Go for it, Galen. Not me.
Yep.
I'll walk down this step.
I'm just looking at how this thing works. It's a big spring.
Big spring. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sit down.
Okay, hang on. Let me just get a picture of that.
Okay. I got you. I got you. Yes. Ladies first. Uh-huh. Yeah. Legs straight down, okay?
Straight down.
Straight down. Okay, very good. You move your body. You move your body. Move your body. Move.
Okay.
Move. 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 Move.
Okay.
Move. Jump.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't swing around or anything, you just drop down.
Stop straight down. Straight down.
Okay, okay. Oh, that'll make it work. So it's this hand that... Scare me. This hand and this hand.
Like.
Go, go. Yeah! Woo! Good job! Yes! Yes! I didn't look. Yeah. Would you like to do it again? You want?
No, no.
Good job! Yes! Is that scary, eh? Oh.
And this is the worst part right here.
It's not scared. Okay, now it's my time. Me, I'm scary. I don't want to do it.
Right.
Yes. I'm scared, eh? Oh my God. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Galen, come please. This is the part that scares me. Thanks.
He's behind you, honey.
Yeah, but if I fell, I'd have knocked him too. That was the scariest part for me. Just dropping.
Now you are very, very, very professional. After, when we are done, I will give you a certificate.
This was great, guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, you are welcome. Robert, it's our job. Good job.
Oh, we have one more to go.
Yeah.
One more to go, yeah.
Cool. This is the last one. This is the last one.
Okay.
Okay.
The last
You
one,
have
the
to
longest
enjoy.
one.
Yeah, the last one, the longest one.
Okay.
You have to enjoy if you want. You have to upside down. You can let that go, fly like a bird. I don't know. What do you want? Upside down? Oh.
I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know I'm gonna keep my hand on the thingy because I'll be likely to not be able to get it back on.
Okay. Okay.
You want to go first this time and get me coming in?
Oh, upside down, you see?
Oh no.
That's
No,
for you.
no, not for me. I need to become more proficient first.
Okay. You alright? Sir?
Go ahead.
What about you?
I thought you were gonna go first and take a picture of me coming in on the camera.
Oh, I guess I could do that. Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Because then you can be looking at me when I come in
Okay.
and let Jessica see that I actually really did this.
Well, she's seen you going every time.
Well, I know, but
Okay. Okay. Go. In the box.
Awesome. Get a picture of her coming.
Alright.
Is the camera facing you right now? Yeah?
In the box.
Watch.
okay.
Let's go. Now
Okay.
we're done.
This was awesome, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. How was that? Good?
Awesome.
Oh, it's awesome.
Awesome.
Did you give?
Yeah,
Nice.
Liked it a lot.
Yeah. Guys, I don't know if you know this seat, the TripAdvisor seat.
yeah.
Do you know that?
TripAdvisor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this seat, if you add something, if you comment something,
I will do it.
Monkey Jungle.
I will do it.
So
About us. Just
about
write
us.
down.
You need to write down your names
Yeah,
because
okay.
Put your hand, my only one.
No, you can put our name. You can
Yeah.
put our name.
Non, c'est promotion.
Yeah.
Chaque moun
You can make it to know.
Chok pa bay comme là, non?
Yeah, but
la bali chaque moun la bali, chaque moun pa yo pa.
Yeah, you can do it. You can write the name.
If you do that for us, guys, it's very nice for.
We will do it.
We will do it, definitely. Thank you so
This
much.
was a wonderful time.
My name is Leslie.
Leslie.
Okay, if you could remember my name, you can put Usher.
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 Usher and Kobe.
You guys.
And-
Usher,
and
Kobe,
Jeff-
Eddie Murphy.
Eddie Murphy.
For me, you
You'll
have
have
to
to
write it down because
You'll have to write it
I
down.
do not remember names.
I will do it when I get
I'm
there.
terrible with names.
I'll do it when I get there.
Okay. You have to write all three of your names.
Yeah.
But remember, it's,
You will do
it's
it.
Usher, Kobe, Brian, and Eddie Murphy
Eddie
took
Murphy.
us ziplining today.
How do I unhook this?
Oh, gosh. Sorry. Okay. Is that number 8?
This was so much fun.
Yes.
That was great.
Everybody has 10 fingers, huh?
Yes.
10 fingers and 10 toes.
10 toes.
And no mashed shins. Although I tried.
Yeah.
Smile.
Ooh, puppies.
And fuerte!
It was great. It was great.
Eddie Murphy! Eddie Murphy! Denson! Look!
Don't lose that now. Don't drop that helmet.
He's singing. He's singing. And fuerte!
He carries a tune about as well as I do.
Yeah, and fuerte! For you too. Oh, no, not only me. For you too. Huh? Yay!
It was great. It was great. It was great. It was awesome.
Yeah, I would say that, where your daughter, what
Jessica.
Jessica, I am Leslie. I am Leslie. Yeah, your balance is very quick with me. I like you. Okay, quick, okay, go be quiet. What she want me to say? Do you have a daughter?
I have a 29-year-old daughter. 29.
29 years old?
Yeah.
Wow. She's married?
No, she's not.
Okay. Why are you asking what she's getting? Why? Jessica is crazy, this guy. No, for me, you're for me. Jessica. Okay, guys.
I did not set this one up.
I have a nice place for you guys. Nice place.
Yeah.
Very cheap, very cheap. If you want to live here, oh my God. Everyone.
I have a house in the Bahamas already.
This house I have here.
No, I have the house in the Bahamas. The house in the Bahamas.
This is the room.
So this house is perfect. It's my retirement home. Oh, honey, look, it's for That's the milk, Kaylin. That's the milk.
Oh, okay, right. ¿Qué es lo que hay? Yo hablo español. Yo no hablo español. I don't speak Spanish.
You don't?
You speak real.
I speak Creole. I speak Russian. I speak Alman. I speak Italian.
You speak English.
I speak no, a little bit English. I speak Chinese. Ching chong, queen chong, point, ching chong. One ching chong, one chong, one ching 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 chong, one. I speak Africa. Babu fuma muma gada. Tawo bagada. pas de tir. Pas de tir ça comme ça.
You left your gloves.
Oh, sorry.
Got it for you, man.
Thank you, man.
You are VIP here. Yeah, VIP. If you want, I can lift you. No problem.